On April 6, 2024, at around 5 a.m., West Valley Division patrol officers pulled up beside a grey 2019 Lamborghini Huracan, which was stopped for the red traffic light. The officers noticed that the driver was sleepy and immediately repositioned their patrol vehicle behind the Lamborghini. Upon the traffic light turning green, the officers activated their police vehicle's emergency lights and siren, then conducted a traffic stop on the Lamborghini. An additional patrol unit that was driving by in the area also stopped to assist with the traffic stop.
How's it going, man? Good. Do you have a driver's license on you? And registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah? Do you know why I pulled you over? Huh? Well, when you were asleep at the light, I was right next to you. I put my spotlight on you, man. You were asleep at the light. You're visiting out here? Yeah. Okay, cool. And do you have registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle yours, sir? It's a what? A rental? Oh, okay. Perfect. Where are you headed to? Where's home? Where's home?
Right here.
Alright, so hang tight for me.
The driver was identified as 51-year-old Elliot Dugan. After questioning Dugan, one of the officers returned to his patrol vehicle, conducted a want warrant check on Dugan, and conducted a vehicle query on the Lamborghini. The queries revealed that Dugan had multiple felony warrants and that Lamborghini had been reported stolen. The officer returned to contact Dugan and made repeated attempts to have him exit the vehicle.
Hey, sir. Can you do a favor? Can you step out of the car for me? What's going on? I just need to verify your license, man. That's it.
I just gave you my license, man.
Huh? I need to verify it. I need you to step out of the car for me, okay? I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me. Sir,
I'm not from out there.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me.
I'll give you my license, man.
You gave me a different thing. What is that one?
My license.
That's your license? Can I see that one?
I did.
Okay, let me see that one. Okay, regardless, I need you to step out of the car.
But you have my license.
Sir, I need you to step out of the car right now.
What did I do, sir?
I'll explain in a second. I need you to step out of the car for me. You're being detained. Okay? We have the right to pull anyone out of the vehicle because I understand that.
What did I do then? So, you didn't tell me. That's in the law.
Sir.
You have to tell me why. Leave my license.
Sir. I will tell you once you're out of the vehicle. I need you out of the vehicle.
I don't have to be out of the vehicle. You have to tell me first. So that's real law. I know law.
Okay. I understand that, and I know the law as well. I need you out of the vehicle first, please.
No, I'll have to stay out the vehicle first. First.
Sir. I understand that, and I do too. Okay. I need you to come out of the vehicle, okay?
I know the law. I give you my license.
I understand that. I need you to come out of the vehicle right now.
So you tell me I know the law.
Okay, I know the law as well. Look, we're going to go back and forth this. I have a bunch of units responding.
This is a regular traffic stop, right?
This was a regular traffic stop and then it turned into something else.
What is it?
This vehicle is stolen. I need you to come out of the car.
This
This
No,
vehicle that you're
no.
driving is stolen.
No, I'm not. I rented this vehicle, so
Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I rented this vehicle.
Okay, well, we need to double check and verify things, but I need you out of the vehicle in the meantime. It is stolen. Hey, stop!
Dugan did not comply with the officers and decided to speed away from the location at a high rate of speed. The officers quickly initiated a pursuit.
Units responding to Yolanda, Truman Way, 1083, requesting the unit early 100, 1 west of Yolanda with the spike strips.
Where's he going? 1047 pursuit, still on vehicle. It's going Venus crash, UTC. Vehicle STC on Sherman Way and Van Alden.
There's no frequency, stand by, 1047 is in pursuit, 5257.
He's got me inside this mess.
A few seconds after the initiation of the pursuit, Dugan lost control of the Lamborghini and collided with the center median and several trees along the median. The force of the collision caused Dugan to be ejected from the vehicle.
10847, let me have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd, major TC damage. Let me get an RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way. I can't tell, dude. Oh, wait. No, I can't tell, but this is the other half of the car.
The force of the collision caused the Lamborghini to be split into two main sections. The ensuing debris from the collision also caused damage to multiple vehicles that were parked along Sherman Way.
Hey, did you guys see anyone run? Did you see anyone run?
I didn't see nobody run. It's because we were just inside.
Alright, cool.
Hey, we heard everything.
Just hang out on the sidewalk for me.
1070, Roger.
I don't.
1083, 1083, verify suspect in custody.
83 negative, he wasn't inside the vehicle.
Hey, I need you folks stay over there. Stay over there. No.
Stay over there, please. 83 Roger, we don't have the suspect's location or direction of travel yet.
Okay, Roger, we'll take it,
Hey, did I find them?
and,
Upon conducting a search for Dugan, he was located several hundred feet away on a nearby sidewalk. Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to the scene and pronounced Dugan deceased.